Friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, let's start this video. Friend, in today's video I want to talk about only 5 minutes. Tell me, don't you have 5 minutes? Cannot you give 5 minutes for yourself, for your dream, for your desire? If you then watch this video till the end. My dear friend, if you are someone and wants to speak this language and wants to become fluent in English, but somewhere or the other you are not able to maintain your consistency just because of your busy schedule. You are occupied with lots of responsibility. You are working person, in your plate is your plate is full. So my dear friend, in that condition, give to yourself only 5 minutes, and I hope you have 5 minutes for yourself, for your growth, for your skill in 24 hours. So if you have, then my dear friend, please give to yourself. Because if you think that I want to become fluent in English but I don't have time, and you are not consistent, in this way you are not gonna become. How you can become? When you are consistent. So my dear friend, if you are someone and who is not able to maintain his consistency just because of busy schedule and work, so you know that's why I'm saying you should practice for 5 minutes. Give to yourself only 5 minutes. Yeah, don't think that I don't have 30 minutes, 1 hour, so I'm not gonna do practice. No. How? No matters how much time you have, whatever time you have, just focus on practicing. Just focus on practicing. Okay, because practice matter a lot. If you do practice for 1 day, 2 day, and third day you are not going to do practice just because of time. You cannot do practice for 30 minutes and for 1 hour. So this is not good thing. In this way you cannot become fluent in English. So do practice in that condition. Do practice for only for 5 minutes to maintain your consistency. If you think that 5 minutes is not enough, so my dear friend, 5 minutes is also enough. Yeah, we cannot see the um, growth in 5 minutes, but at least you can do maintain your consistency. And see, one thing, that बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है, many a little makes a miracle. So don't say something is very tiny and it is not valuable. No, a drop of water can fill the pitcher. So why you cannot become fluent in English by speaking 5 minutes, by practicing 5 minutes of English? You can also. And moreover, I want to you know say something about beginners who are totally beginner and want to speak this language. So what they should do, they should also start and embark their journey by practicing 5 minutes English. How? Because they are totally beginner and they want to speak English. So firstly, instead of focusing practicing of 30 minutes, 1 hour, they should focus practice of 5 minutes English. Because they have to build their habit and interest. It's obvious when they will start this journey, they will they won't feel interest. They want to feel interest to do practice of 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. No, but they have to build that interest and habit. So that's why they should also start this journey with 5 minutes. And in this way they will be able to do practice uh, for 5 minutes. as well as they will that's how they can do that 5 minute practice with interest, and that's how they can build their interest and habit. And once they will build their habit and interest, that timing and interest will be increased automatic, and automatic they will start doing that practice more and more. So my dear friend, if someone is beginner, totally beginner, so they should also start and mark their speaking English journey by practicing 5 minutes. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then like, subscribe and share. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.